What's up, it's James. Alright, the next part we're going to do is how to iron a pair of pants. This can get a little complicated because of the pleats and whatnot, and if you want the line down the middle, which I'm not a big fan of with like this type of pant, but if it was like a nice pair of slacks, I would definitely want that line down the middle. And there's a name for that line, and I'm sorry I'm spacing it right now. But same deal, like you want to get some water on it, kind of spread the water out, and then take the iron, just kind of move it down. And like I said, it's just important that it's like flat, and that when you iron it, that you're ironing out the wrinkles and not ironing the wrinkles into it. So the leg portion obviously is pretty easy. You get the front and then take a look at the back and see how you did, and it's like, we're looking good. Take it back over, get out any other folds or creases. So that's pretty easy. Pleats is that line, that center line. If you want pleats, crease, I'm sorry. Pleats are up here. So if you do want the crease, you would simply like take the leg, fold it in half, throw it on the board, and iron it out if you want that crease. Alright, the next part is going to be this top section right here. And once again, just make sure that it's nice and flat, and make sure too that your pockets are flat, because if they're bunched up in there, the lines will show through when you iron it. And then kind of get the iron inside, spray some water on it if you need to, and just kind of guide it with that nose, put it through like that. And then you want to flip it back over, check out how the back side's doing. Just get it nice and flat, and then just come in. So we got this leg done, and you would basically just repeat it for the other side. But that's how you iron your pants.